Hey everybody, this is Dave and I am Braden's daddy. We are here to do a 2017 Tier 1 baseball. It's release day. Full case PYT number 1. So, what I'm going to do is we're going to random for the Yankees first. So, I'm going to roll the dice here. We only reroll Snake Eyes. How many times we'll do the random? We're going 10, hard 10. 5 and a 5. I'm going to take everybody. Well, first of all, there's random.org. I'm going to take all the team names, since people seem to like this as opposed to the real names. The winner or the owner of the team that comes up on top after 10 will get the Yankees for break number 1. What's up, Chops? So here we go. Good luck, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Niner, and the 10th and final time. It is the Mets. The Mets. The Mets are Chops. Chops gets him for the first break. Uh-oh. He got him for the first break of Museum, too. And got a judge. What's up, Lenny? All right, so selection. All right, so now we are ready. All right, I'm gonna roll one die here. Let me bring down this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's a 5 or 6, I'll just re-roll. It's a 5. It's a 4. Bottom right. Alrighty, guys. Here we go. Here we go. The best part of waking up is the Yankees are Chops. There is box, empty box. Oh, killer, no filler. All right, we'll focus in when I get to the first one here. All right, away we go. Let me get ready to focus. First up, we've got dual bat relic, 22 of 25 for the Reds. Johnny Bench. Reds are Jason. There should be 40 because there's 3 per box, and then every 3 boxes, I think, has that extra relic in it. We've got pinstripe jersey, 179 of 331, Carlos Gonzalez for the Rockies. Rockies are Michael Wilson. Yeah, not bad at all. Plus, we don't have to screw around with the base cards because there are none. We've got 181 of 300, Steven Matz for the Mets. That is chops. Let me focus on this one a little bit better. I don't know. This is just toying with me today. No problem, chops. We've got 13 of 25 gold ink auto. Trey Mancini, rookie card for the Orioles. Going to Darby McCleary. For the Braves, Dansby Swanson jersey card, 299 of 331. Going to Spider. We've got for the Cardinals, 21 of 75 jersey auto, Stephen Piscotty. Let's go into Tom T. We got rookie card, Ty Bloch for the Giants, 158 of 295 auto. Giants are Gary. Oh, we got a redemption in this one. Brandon Belt, 317 of 331 jersey card for the Giants. Going to Gary. For the Cardinals, 19 of 25 rookie card auto, gold ink, Luke Weaver. That is Tom T. And the redemption, due to receive dual autograph, of Andres Galarraga and Omar Vizquel. Now let's figure out where this card's going. I'm thinking the Braves. GV. Maybe not. Hold on. Dual player auto, the Rockies. So Andres Galarraga is the Rockies. And then Omar should be Indian. Well, Omar could be a lot of people. Dual player auto GV. Yep, Indians and Rockies on this one. So the Rockies are Michael Wilson. Ugh. And the Indians, of course, are Chops. So that's going to be Rockies and Indians. We'll random that at the end. That's a problem with Omar. Guys got so many different teams the guys played for. We've got pinstripe jersey, Aaron Judge for the Yankees, 113 to 331. One's going to Chops with the giveaway team. We've got JD Martinez, 24 of 100. Going to the Tigers. No problem, Chops. Tigers are Tom T. And for the Indians, Tyler Naquin, 147 to 300 for Chops' beloved tribe. All right, we've got jersey card, Giancarlo Stanton, 265 of 331 for the Marlins. No problem, Chops. Marlins are Michael Wilson. We've got Jose Canseco, gold ink auto, 3 of 25 for the A's. That is Michael Wilson. We've got for the Phillies, Jorge Alfaro, rookie card auto, 234 of 300. That is Jeff. No, Phillies. That's Michael Wilson. We've got for the Astros, Carlos Correa jersey card, 296 of 331. Astros are Michael Wilson. We've got jersey card, Tyler Glasnow, 68 of 331 for the Pirates. That one's Jeff. We've got for the Cardinals, Matt Carpenter auto, 71 of 100. Cardinals are Tom T. And for the Mets, 152 of 300, Robert Gesselman, rookie card auto. Going to Chops. We've got Dustin Pedroia, 68 of 331. Jersey card for the Red Sox. That is Chops. We got for the Braves, John Smoltz auto, 8 of 40. Braves are Spider. For the White Sox, 73 of 300, Tim Anderson auto. That is Tom T. We've got 142 of 331, Hunter Renfroe jersey card for the Padres. This is Michael Wilson. We got Kyle Seager for the Mariners, 98 of 200 auto. Mariners are Arthrone. We got for the A's, Ryan Healy rookie card auto, 261 of 300. That is a Michael Wilson. We got for the Cubbies, Anthony Rizzo, jersey and a patch, 6 of 25. That one's going to Mary Lou. We got for the Orioles, Manny Machado, 18 of 30 auto. We've got 271 of 300 rookie card auto, Tim Cooney for the Indians, going to Chops. No problem, Chops. Robinson Cano for the Mariners, 116 of 331. Going to Arthrone. We got Addison Russell, 14 of 331 jersey card for the Cubbies. That one's going to Mary Lou. We got Carlos Carrasco, 56 of 300 auto for the Indians. Going to Chops. We've got 93 of 300, Ryan Schimpf for the Padres. Padres are Michael Wilson. No problem, Chops-a-roo. Chops getting a break before he goes to work on the West Coast. Oh, good Lord. We got 263 of 331, Robert Gesselman, pinstripe jersey for the Mets, going to Chops. And the Mets are the next card. Here is your case hit tier 1 autograph. Nolan Ryan 10 of 10. Silver ink tier 1 autograph going to the Mets. That is chops. I gotta get more top loaders. Thank you, Mets. Yeah, not a bad way to start your day, huh? And we got for the Red Sox, Chris Sale, 63 of 65 auto. That one's going to chops. And the last pack of case number 1. All right, we've got Enos Slaughter for the Cardinals, 147 of 299, of 200, bat relic. Cardinals are Tom T. We've got Michael Fulmer, dual patch auto, 22 of 25 for the Tigers. Tigers are Tom T. And last card, Aaron Nola, 7 of 10, silver ink auto for the Phillies. Phillies are Michael Wilson. All right, so we got one random, and then we'll do a recap of the hits. All right, so we got this is for the Rockies and the Indians. All right. Only reroll Snake Eyes. We're going 7, 4, and a 3. Here is random.org. So we got the Rockies, not the L Rockies, the Rockies. And the Indians. All right, 7 times. Team on top gets it. Good luck, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th and final time. It's going to the Rockies. Rockies are Michael Wilson. All right, so we got that one ended up going to the Rockies, the duel. Then we got Aaron Nola, silver ink. Michael Fulmer, dual patch auto. Enos Slaughter bat. Chris Sale, auto. We got Nolan Ryan, tier 1 auto, silver ink. Pinstripe jersey, Robert Gesselman. Ryan Schimpf auto. Carlos Carrasco auto. Addison Russell relic. Relic Robinson Cano. Auto Tim Cooney. Manny Machado auto. Jersey and a patch, Anthony Rizzo. Ryan Healy auto. We got Kyle Seager auto. Hunter Renfroe relic. Tim Anderson auto. John Smoltz auto. Dustin Pedroia relic. Robert Gesselman auto. Matt Carpenter auto. Tyler Glasnow relic. Carlos Correa relic. We got Jorge Alfaro auto. Gold ink auto, Jose Canseco. Giancarlo Stanton jersey. Tyler Naquin auto. JD Martinez auto. We got Aaron Judge pinstripe jersey. Gold ink auto, Luke Weaver. We got Brandon Belt jersey. Ty Bloch auto. We got Stephen Piscotty jersey auto. Dansby Swanson jersey. Gold ink auto Trey Mancini. Steven Matz auto. Pinstripe jersey Carlos Gonzalez. And dual bat relic Johnny Bench. So that was case numero uno. Number 2 through 10 are in the store right now. We have Yankees going with everyone. Take 10% off with that code. Let me shut off this video.